The spirit of our nation was built on courage and conviction and deserves to be honored. Introducing the U.S. Military Pen Kit, a tribute to that enduring American pride and resilience you can hold in your hand. Crafted with meticulous detail, every component speaks to strength. The commanding presence of the clip features a saluting soldier. The precision-cast nib highlights icons representing the major branches of the U.S. military. The end cap proudly displays USA, and the American flag encircles the top. These design elements subtly evoke military service and the American spirit. This isn't just a pen, it's a statement. For makers, it's a joy to create, allowing you to bring your own personal touch to this exceptional design. For over 23 years, Wood Turnings has proudly served the pen-turning community, creating inspiring pen kits right here in Noblesville, Indiana. We've delivered countless successful designs, and we're bringing that same dedication to this project. We're committed to bringing this powerful symbol of American spirit to life, and we need your pledge to make it a reality. For those who love the art of turning, the military pen offers the perfect canvas to turn a pen blank to match your creativity. Watch as each cut brings this beautiful pen to life. All the necessary hardware is included in the kit. You simply choose the material, add a blank to turn yourself, or use our ready-made carbon fiber option. With our easy-to-follow instructions, you'll be guided through every step to craft your finished military pen. Whether you're honoring a loved one, signing important documents, or simply showcasing your pride, this pen is a powerful symbol. Back us now to secure exclusive rewards and be among the first to own or create this exceptional piece.